So if you are going to donate properties to your children, let us put conditions. Wala namang masama maglagay ng condition. You are just trying to put everything in order. Diba? Kasi kung binenta ng anak mo yun, o ibibenta ng anak mo, ano ba naman yung magpalsa sa sa'yo, Dad? Okay lang bang ibenta na namin yung binigay ng lupa sa akin? Kasi gagamitin namin for business. O di pa pumayag ka, iba mo yung consent. Dun sa ano? Deed of sale. Or mag-execute ka ng ano? Ng separate document. Waiver of consent. Diba? Yun. So I usually use this to protect my clients, especially for those clients who are donating properties to their children before they get married. Pwede rin, Reds. Pwede rin. The problem lang sa living trust, kailangan mo ng trustor or ng third party, di ba? Eh, usually, di naman libre yun. May bayad yun. Tama